All right, so I just got these Beats Solo 3. I got them in white, literally just got them and just started using them. I charged them up on my way to the gym. I saw that if you just charge these for 5 minutes, you automatically get 3 hours of listening time, which is fabulous because usually when I go to the gym, I kind of forget to charge these. So I was able to charge it in my car. I just plugged in to the USB port in my car, and on my drive there I had a perfect charge to be able to have at least 3 hours minimum. And I think that's a really great feature, especially if you're using for the gym. It also comes with a carrying case, and it has a little side pocket where you can put the cord, so that way you always have your charging cord instead of losing it and forgetting where you put it. So I love that. And then I also love the fact that it has a built-in microphone, and it charges and works with both Android and Apple devices. And then on the side, it tells you, so like this is the power button, and you can see that it's on, and then you just hold it to turn it off, and it'll automatically sync. Like it just popped up on my phone saying, hey, do you want to connect to these? And I just click connect, and I was good to go. Super easy connection. So if you're getting this as a gift for someone that is not great with technology, they should just be able to turn it on and have it sync to their phone. I also love the fact that it does come with a free trial of Apple Music. That is awesome. But this is supposed to have 40 hours worth of listening time. It has a built-in microphone, so you can use your Siri and commands, voice commands. And I love it that it actually shows you, so it'll show like, hey, you're charging. This is the sticker that was over here. So it shows this is the charge, this is the power, and then this sticker was on this side. So that way, instead of having to like guess how you do things, this will show you. This is talk or play, volume up. Super easy, sleek design, fits nicely on the ears, and I highly recommend. I love it. I think it looks great. I'm excited to have these in my gym bag always. I hate it when I forget a pair, so now I'm set.